Hello everyone, this is Mr. Kesnick. This is the video or the podcast to go with your first lesson for Algebra A. The skill that you guys are going to be looking at today really is just about can you use delta math efficiently. That's all that it's about. This is the topic that you guys have covered in prior grades, so it's meant to be straightforward. Okay, so the first thing they're going to ask you guys to do is convert between an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So an improper fraction looks like the number on top is bigger than the number on the bottom. So these would be improper, where the top is bigger than the bottom. These are mixed. You have a whole number with a fraction, a whole number with a fraction. Again, the numerator on these, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. These are mixed fractions. These you want to make look like that, and these you want to make look like this. These ones first. You're just going to ask 3 divides into the top, which is 5. How many times? So 3 is going to divide into 5. 3 goes into 5 once, and you're left with 2. So your answer, this is the remainder. Your answer is 1. Your remainder, 2/3. That's all there is to it. This would be your answer, 1 2/3. 19/4. You're asking 19 divided by 4. 4 goes into 19 4 times, which is 16. You're going to subtract these, which is 3. This is your remainder because this number is smaller than what you're dividing by. So it's 4 3/4. Now just to back up, try to keep these as short and sweet as I can. You don't need to do this with a long division like that. You can mentally ask yourself, 3 divides into 5, how many times 1? It goes in there 1 time, and the difference between 3 and 5 is 2. 4 goes into 19 4 times. Come on. 4 goes into 19 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. So what's left over is 3. I don't know if that's too loose, like doing it with mental math, and you like seeing it more formally. This is about where we need to learn to know each other and see what you guys' preferences are. Okay? So I'll get better at tailoring my explanations to you guys when I start to get to know you more. All right. Going mixed number to improper is actually a lot easier. You just take the denominator times the number in front. So 8 times 10 gives you 80. And then just add the number on top. So you have 89. That's the numerator. And the denominator is just the number on the bottom, whatever the number on the bottom was. So again, 7, the number in front, times the denominator, gives you 35. And now add the numerator to it. That's your numerator, 37 over 5. And you're done. Now to explain this symbol, to make sure you guys are okay with it, I really would like you guys to stay away from using this symbol to mean multiplication. Because does that mean 3x's? Does that mean x times x? Or does it mean x times x? You see what I mean? Whereas if you use this symbol to mean multiplication, then it's clear that that's multiplication and not another x. The answer to this, I'm not trying to get ahead of myself, is x squared. If this is another x, that's x cubed. You get different answers. So I'm trying to push you guys to not use this symbol for multiplication anymore. Try and use this one. Okay? All right, that's all that this lesson is. You're going to go to Delta Math and look for this assignment. This video will also be attached to it. So if you need to go back and watch the video again, there it is. Okay, I'm trying to rush this a little bit to make sure that I don't go too long. Thank you guys for your time. Appreciate it.